Buddy, welcome to my unboxing Power Rangers Lightning Collection Metallic Blue Ranger.
What?
So I'm gonna open up this box and just look at the Blue Ranger figure, and I guess talk about like the different parts we have in the box. So first of all, we have the Blue Ranger. We have the Blue Ranger figure. In the box. Yes. He is so cool. Oh, wow. So, and then we have this lance.
What's it? Be mama, peace.
His lance the lance is pretty cool. It's like if you hold it up to light, it like outside your window, it kind of glows. And these are for the thingamabob they do with all the weapons, like the Powerball and like these. You could also put them in his hand, which is very cool. Like this. So he has it. So he has the lance, and then he has the separated lance. This doesn't snap, but they have like the separated pieces, which are supposed to be on the lance. And then we have a blaster. It fits in the sheath. And so I did him in a cool pose with his blaster and his sheath. And so let's see. We have an extra pair of silver gloves. And I'm not sure what this is, but I think this is a Zeo crystal. And by the way, we bought this on eBay, so it won't have that twisty thing you put on the lance, unfortunately. But I still think it's pretty cool. And then, last but not least, it comes with the Billy head. The Billy head that you just tug the head off, and I have the Billy head, which I think is really cool. So that's all for today's Mighty Morphin Metallic Blue Ranger unboxing.